everybody. You're probably wondering why we're staring at a bunch of grapes. Well, because Shane Dawson already did this, and I want to be internet famous like they be. So, wait, why did I write that? Today, we're going to be microwaving 3 grapes, one at a time, or maybe all of them. I have more. Let's get started. Just place it in the microwave like that. I don't know how long to put it for, so 5 minutes. Let's hope I don't blow up my house. Whoa, do you hear that? Whoa! Where's the grape? Do you hear that noise? Oh my god, it's so foggy. Okay, let's take it out. Oh my gosh. Look what it did. It deflated. Ah, it's hot. Oh my god, it deflated. And it's on fire. It's on fire. Oh my gosh. If that happened to a perfectly good grape, let's see what happens to a nasty grape. Let's go. Nothing's happening so far. Do the nasty grapes not do anything? Oh my god. Do you hear that? Oh, I can see it. It's sprouting out juice. Ela. Oh my gosh. Look, stop it right now. Look. Oh my god, did you see that deflate? Oh my god. Oh my god. Now for what you have been waiting for. All these grapes are gonna get microwaved. Boom! Let's see what happens. I heard some. Oh my god, the noise is even louder. Ooh, I want to see something explode. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. 4, 3. What? Oh my god. Look at all them. Let me note that they're really sticky to touch whenever I get them out, so ew. Next time, tell me what you want me to microwave next. Until then, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.
I like to make myself